Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with a beautiful, perfect and gorgeous ideas and new style. In this video guys, I'm going to show you different amazing and perfect ideas of new and perfect pixie haircut, short haircut and latest ideas and beautiful pattern. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing and lovely haircut and hair color ideas and designs. Hope you guys enjoy this lovely and beautiful pattern. These gorgeous and lovely ideas and style of new haircut and hair color are so stylish and so amazing. You have to try this nice and perfect pixie cut ideas. You have to try this amazing and gorgeous short haircut style. Keep on watching guys, because these latest and amazing pixie haircut and short haircut ideas and designs are so lovely and so beautiful. Looking very gorgeous, looking very trendy, looking very amazing, looking very stylish and beautiful. If you are a girl, if you are a lady, if you are a woman, haircut and hair color will definitely look gorgeous. If you want to try these amazing haircut ideas and style, then you have to try. You can choose any different haircut and hair color according to your choice, according to your face. Take a screenshot, save your mobile, then take a screenshot, and you have to get this amazing haircut from any salon and any parlor. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful haircut style. I hope you guys enjoy this lovely and beautiful ideas. These gorgeous ideas of short haircut and pixie haircut are so pretty and so stylish. My dear ladies and dear women, these short haircut ideas and style are so good. You can choose any different haircut, you can choose any different hair color according to your choice, and most important thing, according to your face. Dear ladies and dear women, thank you so much for watching my all new videos, for watching my all new collection. We will be right back with another amazing ideas, with another amazing style, with another amazing designs. If you are new, I request you guys visit to my channel and you can see hundreds of new videos of short haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, fine haircut, side bangs haircut videos, some plus size women's dresses videos, and so many outfits of mother of the bride dresses. I hope you guys enjoy videos, enjoy latest collection, new images and new style of new fashion and trendy haircut ideas. Thank you so much guys for watching my new video. We will be right back. Take care guys. Keep supporting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye bye.